Selamünaleyküm.
Walaikum assalam. Professor ABROR, how are you?
Good.
Did you go to school today?
Mhm.
So what did you learn in math?
And linear function.
Linear functions?
Yes. Can we learn next time?
Okay, so about linear functions, what did you learn? How to graph it or how to find a slope or what did you learn? Huh?
Hmm?
What did you learn about linear functions?
Uh, in top or on top? What is?
What?
I don't know. Neither.
Just remember, just try say whatever you remember. Can you just tell me some
Never been right.
huh?
Topic. Topic. What?
What is it?
Um.
Do you actually did you learn about y-intercepts, slope-intercept form, how to find the slope?
In top of. Wait. What is this?
Do you have any worksheet or exercise or
Yes, I have.
can you show me on the screen? Let me see. Just a second. Let me close it. I can see it. Okay, closer. Okay, vertical line test, function, domain, range, right?
I need to learn this.
Yeah, that is
Or
domain and range. I see.
can we learn this?
Yeah, next time. Okay.
Okay.
I can actually start now, but if I start now, I need to make some preparation. We may lose like 5, 10 minutes. If I knew, I would prepare, but it's a big topic. That's the most important topic in algebra. But I will teach you everything about linear functions. Linear functions, that's the easiest functions in math. Okay, Abror.
Mhm.
So then the next class, next three, four, maybe six classes, then we will talk about linear functions. Functions, and after the linear functions, then the domain and range, and the slope intercept form, and everything about linear functions. Okay. So today, Abror, with you, we will practice word problems. All right. And I'm sure that actually you're a clever boy, you can do this, but still, discussing and consolidating your knowledge. And because when you discuss with someone, right? If I just tell you that the way you are solving the question is right, it actually consolidates your knowledge. You become more sure that, okay, the way I am solving, the way I am learning is right. Okay. So naturally, to solve these word problems in math, generally we just follow three, four steps, right? What is the first
Mhm.
important step, Abror?
Uh, different or verb.
No. The most important step is you should be able to read correctly and understand the problem, right?
Ah, yes.
Read the problem. When you close your eyes, you have some idea about the problem. And the second step is you need to define a variable to represent unknowns. And the third step is set up your equations or equation and solve it and define your answer. Okay? All right. If you can solve 20 questions today, it would be great. Read the first question. Okay, also read the steps. Actually, it's just a knowledge for you. What is the first step?
Define a variable. Use let
Variable.
statements mm, to define your variable.
Let statements to define your variable.
Mm.
How
Set
to
up
use this, I will
equation.
show an example. Let X represent the number of students in your school. Let X represents the amount of money in your pocket. Let X represents your age. Let X be the number of people in Houston. Let X be the number of teachers in your school, right? This is how
Mm.
we introduce let statement or use let statement to define our variable. What is step number two?
Set up equation. Solve. Translate into an equation using your lead assessment. Add statements. Then solve.
Set up equations and solve. translate into an equation using your let statements. That's the most important step. Translate the words into mathematical expression or equation. And step number 3, Abror?
Define answer. Give you equality what the problem is
Give
asking for.
exactly.
Exactly what the problem is asking for.
Right? Asking for what? Because sometimes you may get 3, 4 different answers, but you need to pick the most suitable answer that defines your answer. Okay, let's start now. Finding two numbers. Let's start with easy one. Read the first question.
The larger of the two numbers is for more than smaller number. If the sum of numbers is 74, find the numbers.
Okay. Now the first step, Abror, we are going to define our variables, right? So we are
Hmm.
talking about two numbers. One is small, one is large. So the
Hmm.
larger of two numbers is 4 more than the smaller number. Do we know the smaller number?
No,
We don't know. Suppose it is x. So our first number is x. Then what is the second number?
and 74,
X plus
x plus 74.
4. That's the first step, okay? And now the
Hmm.
second step, we set up our equation. If the sum of the numbers is 74, so the first number plus and the second number, right? Which is equal to
Hmm.
74. And the third step, we solve it. We know how to solve this. That is
Hmm.
2x, move 4 to the right-hand side, it is 70, right?
Hmm.
And divide both sides by 2, it is 35. And now I'm going to define my answers. What are my answers? The first number is 35. The bigger number is 39. Okay, step by step. If you're solving a notebook, step by step, because that's solving step by step is really important. Why is it important, Abror? Because suppose that somewhere you make a mistake. So you can go back and check one by one, right, to find your mistake. This is what engineers do in real life. They do something. If something is wrong, they should just go back and check step by step. Okay, read the second question.
The, the larger of the two numbers is 7 less than 3 times the smaller number. If the sum of the numbers is 61, find the numbers.
Okay. Now again, smaller number. Abra, let's say this x. Now I'm going to define the numbers x. Then what is a larger number?
Uh, wait. 2,
Hmm?
2,
No. It says
61,
the larger of two numbers is 7 less than 3 times.
7,
Yes, 7 less than 3
then
times
3
the smaller
times.
number. Instead of the
Okay.
smaller number, if I write x, what will be here? 7 less than 3x, right? So it will
Hmm.
be 3x minus 7, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And now in the question is saying that the second step, the sum of the numbers is 61. So the first number, small number, and the second number is big number, 3x minus 7, right? It is minus. It is minus. So that is equal to 61.
Okay.
That's the second important step. We set up our equation and now we have to solve it. You know how to solve it, right? Simplify
Yes.
x plus 3x. It is 4x. And move negative 7 to the right hand side. 61 plus 7 is 68.
67.
What is
Yes.
67? 8. What is x?
Uh, 13.
Hmm?
13.
17.
17, 17.
17. And number 4, we are going to write the answer. The smaller number is, let me just write here, the smaller number is 17. What is a larger number?
Oh, 7.
3 times 17 minus 7, which is equal to 44, right?
Mm,
Dot, dot, dot. So the first number is 17. The second number is 44.
okay.
All right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you try the next question. First, read the question.
The larger of the two numbers is one more than or four times the smaller number. If the sum of the numbers is 106, find the numbers.
Find the numbers. First, solve it. Okay. Define the variable. Step number one. Number two, set up your equation. And number three, solve it and write the answers. And after you will tell me. I'll give you 90 seconds. Okay. Then we'll discuss. Come on.
I'm done.
Okay. Now tell me your first number. First, read the question.
X plus
Okay. The first smaller number is x, right?
uh,
So what is the larger number?
4,
Hmm?
4.
No. Read it.
The larger, no, the larger of the two numbers, the one more than four times
Okay.
smaller.
One more than four times. Okay. And just the
Mhm.
instead of the smaller number, just read x. Now, can you read it? Read it again as x. Read it again.
One more than four times the
X.
smaller
No, four times x.
smaller x.
Just four times x. So one more means plus. Well, one more than four times x. So it should be for x plus one. Can you
Okay.
see that? One more than four times x.
Equal 160.
Then their sum is equals 106. X, the first number. The second number is 4x plus 1. It is plus. That's why we don't have to put parentheses. So that's equal to 106. Did you write your equation like this?
Yes,
I don't think so.
I think so.
Because why did you say that? I asked you the second number, you said just 4. You didn't say 4x plus 1.
Okay. Next step. 5x plus 1 equal 100.
And immediately you can move on to the right hand side. 5x equals 105, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is x?
Equal 21.
Okay, 21. Now we're going to write
Uh,
the answers. The
4,
first number is
4,
21. What is the second number?
4,
Hmm?
4.
What do you mean 4?
No, that's not 4.
Instead
That's
of x, you
85.
need to write 21 and calculate this, right? 4 times 21 plus 1, which is
85.
85. We should say that 21 and 85. Okay, ABROR? All right. Read the next question.
The larger of the two numbers is twice the smaller number. If 12 is subtracting from the larger number, the results 7 more than small number. Find the numbers.
I will give it 2 minutes. Read one more time. Step number one, define variables. Step number two, set up your equation. Then step number three, solve it. 2 minutes.
Done.
Okay. First step. Tell me, what is your first step? Defining your variables. What is a smaller number?
X, X
X. Bigger number?
minus 12.
No, no. What is this bigger number? The larger number. If the smaller number is X, the larger number is 2X, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see, it says here, it is twice the smaller number. Is means equals. That's your first step. Now I'm going to write the second step. What is your second step? Your equation.
Uh, X minus 12.
No. 2x minus 12. If 12 is subtracted from the larger number, right?
Mm-hmm.
So larger number is 2x here. 2x minus 12. The result means equals. What is on the right hand side?
Wait. X plus 7.
X plus 7. 7 more than smaller number. So it's x plus 7. That's why, ABROR, at the beginning, when you are defining your variables, you should know very clearly which represents what, right? X represents the smaller number, 2x represents the bigger number. And now if you solve this equation, move x to the left-hand side, it is x. Negative 12 to the right-hand side, it is 19, right? So now we're going to write the answers, dot, dot, dot. The smaller number is 19. And the larger number is 2 times 19, that is 38.
38.
Did you get the same answer?
Yes.
But your solution is wrong then.
No.
But why? When I asked as to the larger number, you said x. Why?
I'm not saying the large number X. I'm saying X and 2X.
Okay. All right. And that's why if you speak the same language, we can understand each other well. Say that Mr. Carson, the first step, smaller number is x, larger number is 2x. And now in the second step, our equation would be 2x minus 12 equals x plus 7. Because you're just translating, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Question 5. Read question 5. Read it.
The highest score on an algebra test was 42 points more than the lowest. When added together, the lowest and highest scores was 154. Find both the highest and lowest score.
So the first step, we have lowest score and highest score. Suppose that our lowest score is x. Now, what is the highest score, ABROR?
Wait. Wait. 42x.
X plus 42, right?
X plus 42.
Also, you can write 42 plus x, but if you write x plus 42, it sounds better. Because usually in math, when we are writing expression first, we write letters and after that, numbers, right? Okay. Now we are going to set up our equation. Read the second part.
Oh, which one?
The second sentence. When added,
Everyone added together the lowest and highest scores 144 and 54 with both highest and lowest score.
okay. So we are adding them, the lowest score plus the highest score, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is equal to 154. Now, if you solve this for x, x is equal to 154 minus 42. That's equal to 112. What is x?
Mm, that's 10. No, not 10. 100.
D
5. 5?
6,
Uh,
right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're going to write the answer. So the lowest score is 56. What is the highest score?
That's 90, 98.
8. Good. Finally, you got it. Okay, Abror. Read the next question. Now you will try the next question.
Uh, Garrett, that's correct. Garrett.
Garrett, yeah.
Garrett, huh?
Yeah, Garrett.
Garrett has $1 less than three times as much money as Liz has. Together have 179. How much money does Garrett have?
Okay, I'll give it 2 minutes. First, solve it, then we'll discuss it together, okay? So we'll step by step.
I'm done.
Okay,
Uh,
all right. First,
X
first read the question
plus
quickly.
Garrett has $1 less than three times as much money as Liz has. Together they have 179. How much money does Garrett have?
Okay, let's say, let me make a table, G and L. All right. So Garrett has $1 less than 3 times as much money as Liz has. So how much does Liz have?
X,
X, very good. Then Garrett?
X, I'm joking. One.
No.
Wait, three.
Garrett has $1 less. $1 less than 3 times as much as Liz has. It is 3x
Oh,
minus 1, right?
um,
Right?
okay. Mm-hmm.
That's the most important step, Aurora. If you actually do not define variables correctly, you don't get the right answer. Now, in the second step, we are going to set up our equation. Together, they have, right? So
Mm-hmm.
together, that is 3x minus 1, Garrett's money, x Liz's money, together 179. That's our second step, setting up equation, right? And now let's simplify this. Simplify the left-hand side.
Um, 3x minus 1.
4x,
2x.
right?
Yes, yes, yes. 4x.
Equals
Equal 179.
90 plus 1, right? We move negative 1 to
Yes,
the right-hand
plus
side.
1.
That is 180.
And 180.
What is x?
And divide by that's 570. No, no, no. Wait,
180 divided by 4. What is it?
that's 180 divided by 4. 45.
45. And now we are going to write the answer. Dot, dot, dot. Liz has $45, right? And how about Garrett?
It has a
3 times 45 minus 1, right? How much is it?
132.
134.
2.
Because 3 times 45 is 135. 135 minus 1 is 134, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do the next question. Read question 7.
Mhm. The Buffalo Bills scored 24 more than twice the number of points that the Miami Dolphins scored. Alti- Altogether, the teams scored 66 points. How many points did each team score individually?
Individually. Okay, I'll give it
In,
2 minutes, Abraham.
individual.
First, step by step. Number 1, define your variables clearly. Number 2, set up your equation. Number 3, and solve it. Okay, 2 minutes.
Mhm. Yeah,
Done?
I'm done.
Okay. Read the question.
The Buffalo Bills scored 24 more than the twice number of the points than Miami Dolphins scored. Altogether, the team scored 66 points. How many points did each team score
Individually.
in, individual? Ah, I can say 2x plus 24.
Okay, first, Miami Dolphins, right? So let's say this
Uh-huh.
X. Then Buffalo Bills would be what?
Uh, 2x
2x
plus
plus
24.
24?
Yes.
Good. Very good. That's correct. Okay.
So good.
And now all together, right? The team scored 66.
X plus 2x plus 24 equals 66.
2x plus 24 plus x equals 66, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now
3x
simplify the left hand
plus
side.
3x plus 24 equals 66.
Yeah, immediately we can move 24 to the right hand side and then
Okay. 3x
42.
42.
42. What is
X
x?
equal 14.
14. Okay. And now we're going to
Yes.
write the answers. Buffalo Bills, right? Scored how many?
24.
2 times 14 plus 24. Come on, yeah, bro, don't say this. You see, we have this expression, right? So which
Wait,
is
52.
28 plus 24, 52, right?
52.
And how about
Oh,
Miami Dolphins?
uh, 24.
14.
Yeah, 14, 14, 14.
14,
Sorry.
right? Okay. Question 8.
And they are 10 less than red Skittles, then orange Skittles is the bag. The orange Skittles are also twice with the number of red Skittles. Find the number of red and orange Skittles in the bag.
Okay. 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, ABROR.
Wait, I'm down. 7 minus 10.
7 minus 10.
Yes. C. No, C.
We have
S.
orange Skittles, right? And red Skittles. Red Skittles. There are 10 less red Skittles than orange Skittles in the bag. How many orange Skittles? We don't know, right? So let's say it is N. Then red Skittles, N minus 10. First, did you write like this?
Okay.
Huh?
Mm,
That's the first step. Now we are defining variables because red Skittles is 10 less than orange Skittles, right? Hello?
well,
And now in the question, it says that the orange Skittles are also orange Skittles, that is N, right? Also means equals twice means 2 times the number of red Skittles. The number of red Skittles, it is N minus 10, right? Did you form your equation like this?
uh, yes.
Okay. And that's it. Now we have to solve this. If you solve this, what did you get for N?
20.
20. Very good. Dot. Find the number of red and orange Skittles in the bag. So red Skittles, it is 10, right? Orange
Orange 20.
Skittles, 20, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now let's talk about a little bit about geometry.
The length, the length of the rectangle,
Okay, yeah, before we
rectangle is
continue, just ABROR, before we continue, I just want to remind you about the perimeter of the rectangle. If we are given rectangle, suppose that that's our rectangle, it has 4 sides and opposite sides are equal and all interior angles are 90 degrees. That's the definition of rectangle, right? And the longer side is called length, and that is width. Since opposite sides are equal in length, LLW. So what is perimeter, Abrar? Perimeter is the length of boundary, right? So that is L plus W plus W, right?
mm-hmm.
If you simplify, is equal to 2 times L and 2 times W. Or 2 is a common factor. In a more compact form, we can write it as 2 times L plus W, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. That's what you have to know to solve this question. Now read question 9.
The length of the triangle is 6 inches more than its width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 24 inches. Find its dimension.
Yeah, find its
Dimension.
dimensions, right? Dimensions or
Mhm.
dimensions. In this kind of question, Abror, let me just do the first question together. First, sketch. Okay, it's a geometry problem. That's why you better sketch, okay? And label on your figure. Now it says that the length of the rectangle is 6 inches more than its width. Suppose its width is W, right? And its length will
Mhm.
be W plus 6, right? Right?
Okay.
And
Mhm.
now it says in the question the perimeter, right? The perimeter of the rectangle is 24. So I know how to find the perimeter. Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. It is given that's equal to 24. And now we just substitute and solve it. 2 times what is length? It is W plus 6. What is width? It is W. At the same time, this 24, I can write it as 2 times 12, right? These twos, they cancel each other. W plus W is 2W plus 6. That's equal to 12. If you solve this for W, you know how to solve this. That's equal to 3, right? And now we're going to write the answer here. So its width is 3 inches. And length is 6 plus 3, right? That is 9 inches. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you have to solve like this, step by step. Number 1, sketch. Number 2, label on the figure. Number 3, write the perimeter formula and substitute the given numbers and solve it. Because that's what we are learning. It's not about getting the answer. It's about understanding the procedure. Okay? All right.
Okay.
With question 10.
Mm, the length of the rectangle is 5 inches more than 4 times in the width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 90 inches, find the dimension.
It's dimensions. I can say dimension or dimension. Both are correct. Okay.
Mhm.
2 minutes.
Okay.
Dimension.
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 Dimension. Yes, ABROR.
Done.
Finished?
Mm-hmm. P equal to L plus 2W.
Okay, first, let's draw our rectangle. Okay. So, if the perimeter, the length of a rectangle is 5 inches more than 4 times its width, right? Suppose its width is X. What is its length?
2.
What?
I'm joking. That's wait,
Sometimes you make serious joke,
five,
you know.
5, 5.
What? Is also a joke?
Yes,
No. Tell me the truth.
yes.
5
No,
inches more than 4 times its width.
uh, 4W plus 5.
4x plus 5 or 4w plus 5. Okay, if you want to use w, use w. Okay, let me just change this to w. So that is w, 4w. Okay, now we're going to write the perimeter, right? Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. So that is equal to 90, right? And you see here, 2 times on the left-hand side, ABROR, on the right-hand side also is even number, right? Without opening the parentheses, you can simplify this more. So 2 times length 4w plus 5 width, it is W. This 90, I can write it as 2 times 45, right? Did you solve it like this?
Yes.
Okay. Now 4W plus W is 5W plus 5 is equal to 45, right? Right?
Yes.
And you know how to solve this equation. What did you get for W?
37.
What?
I say, wait,
What is W?
8,
8. So if W is 8, what is length?
37.
37. Okay?
Uh-huh.
All right. Let's move on. Next question. 11.
The length of the rectangle is the centimeter plus than twice in the width. If the perimeter of rectangle is 18 centimeters, find its
Dimensions.
dimensions.
Dimensions. ABROR, now you tell me. Okay, let's do it together. You'll try the next question. First, since we are talking about a rectangle, let's draw a rectangle and label its size. So read it again.
The length of the rectangle is 3 centimeters less than twice its width.
Okay.
If the
Suppose its width
perimeter
is W. Then what is its length?
ah,
What is its length? Its width is W. What is length?
2 times x, 2x,
No.
what,
2W minus 3, right? It says 3 centimeters less than twice its width, right? 3 centimeters less, that is minus 3. Less than what? Twice its width, it is 2W, right? Okay, ABROR?
okay,
Now we're going to write the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 times length. Length is 2W minus 3. Width, it is W. So that's equal to 18. And write 18 immediately as 2 times 9 because I'm going to cancel out with this 2. And now this 2 to cancel each other. W, 2W plus W, it is 3W minus 3 is equal to 9, right? What is W, Abror?
3,
It is 12. It is 4, right?
yes,
Because move
I,
negative
12,
2 to the right hand
8,
side. Huh?
yes,
Okay. Dot, dot, dot. This dot, dot, that means therefore width of this rectangle is 4 centimeters. And how about length? What is length? Hmm?
8,
2 times 4. 8. 8 minus 3. 5, right?
yes,
It is 5 centimeters. Okay, bro. All right. Let's do 2 more questions and finish the class. Okay, these consecutive numbers we'll do next time. 12 and 13, the last 2 questions. Read question 12.
length of a rectangle is 7 inches more than man width in the perimeter of the rectangle is 66 inches. Find the dimension.
Okay, it's quite easy. The length of the rectangle is, suppose the width is x, right? 7 inches more than its width. So it should be x plus 7, right? Right, Abror?
Yes,
Okay. Now the perimeter is 2 times length, which is x plus 7, and width, it is x. So that's equal to 66. And simplify, x plus x is 2x plus 7 is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 33. And what is x? Can you solve for x and tell me what is x?
32.
Hmm?
32, yes.
No. 33 minus 7 is 26. 26 divided by 2 is 13.
Ah, okay.
So dot, 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 width, it is x 13. What is length?
Uh,
X plus 7, come on. This is width, right? And this one is length.
and that's 9.
20.
Yes. How?
13 plus 7 is 20, right?
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, the last question, ABROR. You solve it. Okay, we'll finish the class. First, read the question. ABROR, read the question.
The length of a rectangle is 5 less than twice its width. The perimeter of a rectangle is 56 inches. Find dimension. Can do.
Okay, 2 minutes. Come on. Do it and we'll
Okay.
finish the class. All right? Yes, ABROR.
Wait, wait, wait. What? That's L.
What are the dimensions? Can you tell me its dimensions? Dimensions means the length and width.
Yes. Length 2W.
No, no. What would the final answer?
I find the answer that would make that.
What is width? Did you solve it?
Yes.
Okay. What is width?
Uh, 205.
What? I know
Wait.
you are joking. Say it again.
Oh,
What is width?
wait. 11.
11?
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. So if the width is, let's say this W, 5 less than twice its width, it should be 2W minus 5, right? Did you write like this? Then the perimeter is 2 times length, 2 width minus 5 with W. That's equal to 56. Divide both sides by 2. Here we have 3W minus 5 is equal to 28, right? What is W? 28 plus 5 divided by 3, which is 11. So here we have dot, dot, dot. Width is equal to 11. What? Inch, right? Okay, that's inch. And length is 22 times 11, 22. 22 minus 5 is 17 inch. Right, ABROR?
17. Correct.
Hmm?
Nothing.
ABROR, I will send this paper to you. You try to finish it. Did you study about
Mm,
inequalities, ABROR? Do you remember?
mm,
Also, we should study.
yes.
Okay, next time let's focus on linear functions. Okay, then you'll get back
Okay.
to this. Okay, ABROR?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you have any exercises, ABROR, just take a picture and send it to me in Telegram. Let me have a look. So I will prepare similar questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
Uh-huh. Huh?
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay. ABROR, have a good
Bye.
day. See you next week. Okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Next week?
No, no, tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Bye.
Today's Friday, right? See you tomorrow.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.